Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk a little bit about like what I knew about like code reviews. So why we do code reviews? So it's basically to improve the code quality and give like constructive feedbacks. So there are like things why we need to do and like when it need to happen. So before we get like anything merged ready, and obviously everyone like using GitHub used to have like pull request as a common way of like doing it, or sometimes people doing pair programming, they do it before doing like trunk based development and do that. But irrespective of whatever the things, so the key goals is like having the quality code, validating all the requirements has been like met. And also it's also like a great thing like when you have like new team members doing the code reviews, they can like learn from the code reviews. And if what we look for like code review, rather than sometimes people used to be like picky about like syntaxing things, but the core things are like, hey, is this feature the requirements have been like accomplished, is it like more readable, maintainable, and is there like a consistency across the code base, like not doing in a different way than the rest of the code bases, and you have like proper tests. Is that like simple enough? And also then like other things you can like look for performance and like the reusability things as well. So then a lot of things when best practices, so review, uh, uh, you know look for the right things, and also like sometimes teams do like seniors only like doing the code reviews. I would say like because yes, of course seniors have that like knowledge to share that, but at the same time code reviews, when like people, anyone in the team do that, gives like a shared understanding, and like as I told, like new team members will always like learn from that. And also like it has like a getting like a positive attitude. um, and then like rather than like, you should like always have like a checklist, hey, what to like do that, and having like a part of like team norm. And sometimes this usually happens in code reviews, like people try to take it personal. It's all about the code, not about the coder. So irrespective of whatever, like who are the coder, you look for the code, and also like the same way you give a code review or like take the review, it's all about like the code, so that way like you can improve. So already like talked about the checklist, so I can like touch where like this is basically acting as like a gateway, like the pull request, or like doing those things. What the disadvantages I would see is, advantages is like you you kind of like have an approval, but it's like a little bit like late in the game. So if there is something like that's major, you may not be able to get that. So always like you look for the changes as soon as possible. And hope this video helps. Thank you.